guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're doing good. What, Tower? We're doing good. So today you see what we having? Fried shrimps and plantain. What the? Okay, don't worry about it. Anyway, don't worry about it. Let's pray. Dear Lord, thank you for this food. Lord, that we see in nobody, let it be in nobody. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. I have cornmeal on me, y'all. Yeah. We got some plantain in the building. Fried fish, water. In case I get thirsty. Lemon. Yeah, did y'all like the prank I did on Tyra? Please subscribe to my video, give it a thumbs up. I did that good. You didn't know it was coming. And so,
I'm not talking to you right now.
So I'm making me a sauce, right? Italian sauce, sweet and sour. No, I'm gonna put that in. Sometimes. My hot sauce. No hot sauce. So I got everything together. I'm gonna mix it up, make me a sauce for my seafood. And look at that, y'all. And well, you can't see it, but don't worry about it. I got some fried onion in the building. Excusez-moi. See how big them shrimp is, y'all? I'm glad you're dripping it all over the place. Yeah, I know I love onions. Yeah, I know how I do. Make me a sandwich. Oh, if you are new to my video, please get subscribe, like, and comment. Welcome to the family. And if you've been here before, thank you. Still welcome to the family. Yeah, I done got nervous because I know Tyra's gonna get me back.
Real good and proper like too. We need to get a camera. Actually, we need 2 cameras. I think better be to get with my phone. But we'll see how it goes. I need to get my radio tomorrow. Scott.
I'm looking at that guy walking. Tyra plotting on me. Dang, that's not nice.
We'll plot on me first. So after I get you back, we're gonna be eating.
Uh-uh.
Oh, yeah,
I'm coming twice a quarter.
Yeah, right, whatever.
Yeah, can I get my shoulder?
I'm full. That's your phone. I'm full.
Well, put some water in there.
No, don't need too much. Nothing squiggly coming out at me. Big shout out to my boy Jay. He's jealous. Big shout out to Poppy.
This not American Idol.
Big shout out to G Baby. She just turned 80 years old Sunday. 80 years old. That's my grandmother on my father's side. Big G Baby. That's right.
This not American Idol.
I don't gotta do it. I'm getting shots out. Hush. Worm.
You got your own chair, you know.
Touch me.
You on my side.
Touch me.
No. I can feel my face. When she fits me with them chopsticks, I have to go get some lemon and baking powder to put all over my face. I was looking like a white ghost. I had a big burn right here, all over here. My face was swelling. My face was hurting. Fried food makes me thirsty. Onions.
Uh-oh. Hoppo. I'm gonna tell Hoppo what you did to me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell my mom.
She's gonna love that.
I'll show you. I'm gonna tell. Mom will cut you out.
You can wait.
No. Hey, mommy. I'm not doing too good.
Oh, no.
You didn't see that mukbang from Saturday, did you?
No. What happened?
Lulu pranked me.
Oh, Lord, again.
No, she pranked me.
Again, son.
She don't know what that is.
You fell for the shit. You got drunk and fell for the Lulu shit again.
No, mama, she pranked me on a mukbang.
She don't know what that is.
You know what a prank is?
No.
No.
Oh my God. God. We were doing a mukbang Saturday, and she told me to go in the living room to get her one of them coconut waters, and she put a damn earthworm in my damn food.
Oh, my God.
What you did with the coconut water?
No, she put an earthworm in my food while I was going to get the coconut water.
And you ate the worm?
Almost.
Oh my Jesus, Tyrese.
You need to,
Tell her watch the video.
hey, you need to see the video because she videoed the whole thing. She videoed the whole thing.
Well, I gotta watch it. So when I get up with someone, I'm gonna look at it.
Tell her watch it first, then call you back.
You're not gonna.
Saturday and Sunday, I have Saturday, so I was tired cleaning a doctor office.
Really?
So I ain't watching nothing the whole weekend.
Okay.
Step
I'll
up.
watch it as soon as I get off the phone. Hopefully I got some charge on my phone.
Step up, go watch it, they can call you back.
Hey, you almost ate a worm.
Man, she snatched my hand away like 3 times before I caught on what the hell was going on.
Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah.
Go let her watch it first.
Yeah, we gotta get her back, Mom.
She said Tyrese and the coconut water. You know they do the thing on the TV, on that phone thing, that video shit. She put a worm in the goddamn pool and he was gonna let it cook stuff for it. He almost make the goddamn worm wrong. Oh my Jesus. Look at my goddamn food. What not see? And so it ended up coming to me like that. I be looking at every motherfucking thing.
Yeah, I was staring this damn shrimp down. I thought,
All right, y'all. Love y'all. Stay blessed. My face going down. So, love y'all. Peace. Don't comment down below what y'all want to see me do to Tyree. Yeah.
no.